Today on Doing a Family, we didn't open Happy Bag.
Yay! So, as my cute little boy just said, today we are opening the Happy Bag, the 2022 McDonald's Happy Bag. Now, we're very excited about opening this bag because, let me give you a little backstory. McDonald's back in 2021, a long time ago, put out on their app that you could enter the lottery to win one of these. The price tag on these bags is 3,000 JPY, and you were notified on the app if you won the lottery, and unfortunately we didn't win. Now, for most people you would say, we didn't win, oh well, let's move on. But obviously you guys don't know my husband. He is such a hardcore McDonald's fan that he said, no, I'm gonna go to McDonald's today and just beg them. I said good luck and sent him off, and he came back a couple hours later, very disappointed, and said, no, they said it was only lottery. And unfortunately, like I said, we had lost. So then, because he looked so sad and a little bit pathetic, the McDonald's employees said, but you know what? On January 4th, we are going to start to sell the bags that we didn't sell, the bags that either people canceled or they just didn't show up to pick them up, or maybe they didn't have enough cash, whatever. Those bags, the unwanted bags, would go on sale on January 4th at 10:30 a.m. So guess where my husband went on January 4th? Right there on his way to McDonald's. And this time, luckily enough, he found a bag. Yay! Okay, so are we ready to open it? Oh wait, before we open the bag, let me just explain. McDonald's, when they do their Happy Bags every year, they like to collaborate with a company. They call it korabo. There's even a special Japanese word for it. This year, McDonald's did a collaboration with, here it is, Manhattan Portage, which is the bags, the messenger bags, the shoulder bags. And I'm really excited because a bag is included in the Happy Bag. So let's just open it. Are we ready?
Let's open it now. No later, this now, okay?
Okay, did everyone hear that? We are not opening this bag later. We are opening it right now. Okay, here goes. I've got my little audience today. Okay.
Woo!
So here we go. Oh, wow. Okay, so I also failed to mention that 1 in 10 people, very lucky people, are going to win. In addition to all of this wonderful stuff and all of these vouchers, they're also going to win a 500 yen gift card. And apparently it's gold in color, and we would have been able to see it here. So I guess we are not one of those 1 in 10 lucky people. Maybe next year. We still got all of this great stuff, so let's go ahead and open it. Okay. First off, let's start with that bag because I'm so excited about this bag. And here it is. Now it's all folded up, so it doesn't look very big, but let's open it up. And now this is insulated, which means it can keep your beverages or your food cold or warm. Oh wow, it's quite spacious.
Oh, like the Uber Eats?
Yeah, it kind of looks like an Uber Eats delivery bag there. Good point, good point. And here are the shoulder straps, so you can put it on your back. Seems a little bit small for me, but I guess could manage, yeah. If you're a bigger person, it might, oh, but see, the shoulders, yeah, here. So even if you're tall, you can just, well, see, it gets pretty large. You can even just wear it over one shoulder or wear it over both shoulders, whatever you prefer. It says that it can fit up to 3 1.5-liter bottles. So if you're going on a hike maybe, or just really thirsty, you can put it in there and it'll keep them, remember, warm or cold, which is nice. Another thing that I guess you could do is take it on a picnic, put all your food in there, especially during the springtime when you do hanami, go out and watch the flowers. You can just put all your food in there and then you just put it on your back and you're ready to go. And if it gets too heavy or you want to share the load, you can always hold it by these straps here. So a very nice bag. I like it.
Ooh, nice bag.
All right, so there's the bag. Pass that on to the boys so they can take a look at it, see what they think. Okay, next, let's see what this little thing is here. Okay, so this looks like it's a little pouch. Let's go ahead and open this one too. And for every item, apparently they had 2 designs. So we got this one. It's really cool if you take a close look at it. It's the skyline of, obviously, Manhattan, but it's fries.
And ketchup.
Oh yeah, and there's the ketchup. I thought it looked like matches or candles, but yeah, that makes more sense, ketchup. Okay, so this is a little pouch with a zipper, which means you can put stuff in there. Maybe even when you're traveling, you could put your toiletries in here or all those cables for charging your devices.
What is toilet seat? What is that?
Toiletries. The things you use when you're traveling in the not in the toilet. Oh yeah, actually this would be a really good little pouch to put just a diaper and some wipes. So this is the pouch. I'll send that out to the boys too so they can have. Okay, and then let's see what we got. Here is a long cup. Here it is. It's plastic, which is really good when you've got kids. This too apparently came in black and red, and we got a red cup. So yeah, and again you can see the Manhattan skyline inside the fries container. So it's New York or Manhattan fries instead of French fries. Might be a new thing. Okay, so there's the long cup. We'll hand this over to the boys as well. And the final gift is the
Fries lamp.
Yes, it's a fries light. It says it's for people over 6 years of age. And it takes 2 AA batteries. So let's go ahead and open this.
Woo-hoo!
Is it kind of like a night light, maybe?
You can sleep dreaming of eating fries.
Oh yeah, that must be what it's for. Who wouldn't want to dream about fries? Okay, the last thing in the bag is the Happy New Year special coupon book.
Yay!
I know this.
Fries!
Oh, let's see if they have some coupons for fries. Okay, so I see these are all free. So these coupons, you just show it to the people at McDonald's and you get it for free. And if you remember, we paid 3,000 yen for the whole bag, and we've already got all these extra little gifts, and then you get what you paid for. So you've got a free samurai mac. We'll get an up close on that one later. We've got a free mac teriyaki burger. We like those. Oh, 2 free teriyaki burgers and a free chicken fillet and a free bacon and lettuce burger. And here we go, the fries. A free medium-sized fries. Oh, 2 free, oh, I'm sorry, 3 free medium fries. Now we love our fries, so this is definitely worth it. And then you've got two free chicken nugget coupons, 5 pieces each. So that's 10 chicken nuggets for free. Not bad.
We also love our chicken
We
nuggets.
do love our chicken nuggets too. And the best thing is that they give you half a year. These are good until the end of June. So we can definitely use these. You know, sometimes they expire so soon that you're like, how can I eat so much McDonald's in a couple months? But fortunately, these expire June 30th. So let's make sure to stick that in the car. So every time we have that urge to stop by McDonald's, we can pull these out and use these and get our 3,000 yen back that we already paid for. Yes, so you get your free coupons, which is already more than you paid for, plus all these special gifts that just remember. We've got our bag, the insulated bag for all your drinks and food, and maybe you can even put your McDonald's order in here, right? And then you've got your McDonald's Manhattan Light and your long cup. And finally, I thought we had one more thing. There we go. Flew right in this pouch, which is great for so many things. I'm so excited to use this. And then we zip it all up and we're ready to go.